Information about organizational culture is transmitted or shared with members through a variety of communication channels. Stories circulate through many organizations. These stories are often based on the founders, on reactions to past mistakes, on examples of how breaking the rules allowed the organization to succeed. Individual people may also create their own narratives about how they came to either fit or not fit with the organization. Their stories may be based on the first few days on the job, on their early interactions with other people, and on their first impressions of organizational life. Rituals are repetitive sequences of activities that are designed to express and reinforce the key values of the organization. Graduation ceremonies serve as rituals. Many organizations and the groups within them use language to help members identify with the culture. Unique terms describe equipment, people, roles, suppliers, customers, products. At first, it can be overwhelming for new employees to try to learn all of the jargon and acronyms required to do the job. Once they learn them, though, they become an additional component of the shared identity. They have yet another thing in common with the other organizational members. Finally, material symbols are those that convey what is important and the kind of behavior that is appropriate. For example, the layout of corporate headquarters or the office can make a difference. It says something about what the organization values. The way that executives travel also says something about what the organization values. If the CEO always flies first class versus always flying coach, employees may start to make inferences about what is important to the organization. This is a photo of Google's Tel Aviv office space. You can see there are multiple places to sit and work. The lighting is bright. There is ample space to move about. There are multiple places to get something to eat or drink, and it's all free. What does this office space suggest about Google's culture? What might you assume about Google on the first day of work in this office? Chances are you get the feeling that Google cares about creativity, innovation, and its employees' well-being.